I got a 7 overall in my IELTS test. My highest was listening 8.5, then 7.5 in speaking, 6.5 in reading, and 6 in writing. Hello people, my name is FAHIMUR CHOWDHURY. I've been doing classes with the IELTS professor for the last 2 months. I'm here to share my experience. The exam was quite pleasant. The invigilators were quite friendly and very helpful, so I didn't feel any intimidation when I entered the hall. Well, I was very skeptical first because IELTS is a very big exam. It happens worldwide and I was really afraid to give my exams, but through help of the IELTS professor team and the teachers, they helped me to get a very good grade, especially their books they provided and the club classes and the normal classes they provided were very helpful. So they were really good. The mocks were really hard and getting a 6.5 was really tough, and the feedback was on point, so when I worked on my feedbacks, I got a very good score. And it also helped me improve my score in the main exam. Well, I must say the club classes were great. I also had a problem speaking, so during the club classes it helped me improve my speaking a lot. Well, the first thing was confidence. I didn't have the confidence to give the exam first, but through constantly doing classes with stud, I slowly built up the confidence, and especially the speaking part was quite hectic for me because I didn't have the confidence first, but through Abrar's tips and his constant helpfulness towards me, I really scored good in my speaking exam. Well, I must say watch English movies and English web series for your reading and listening. Read a lot of newspapers and read a lot of books and listen to your teachers and do a lot of Cambridges. Oh, I would like to thank the teachers and the institution for helping me to get a good score in IELTS. I could have done this without their help. Thank you very much, IELTS professor.